Isn't it normal to enjoy a reasonably priced meal and relax in the airport food court? However, what happens when one man decides to risk everything? On April 8, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for that man.
Where is he? Head on the table, Asian. Yeah. Hey, what's going on? What seems to be the problem?
Hey, what's up? So with this guy with the suitcase, like he's harassing. So
Which guy in the suitcase?
Yeah, I think you know.
Oh, you talking about this guy right here?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, this motherfucker on some shit. What's going on, boss? How you doing? You doing all right?
Doing all right. I'm just waiting.
You waiting? You put in an order?
Everybody's supposed to come to me with what we're supposed to be doing with our lives right now, and I just want to be able to
What's going on?
offer him what it is that we're supposed to be doing right now, and
Right.
he hasn't offered me listen.
Gotcha.
Am I supposed to leave right now?
You said what?
Am I supposed to leave right now?
No, you come with me. What's going on? Where's your boarding pass?
My order press is on my...
Sit down. What's going on with this gentleman?
My boy is supposed to get on a flight to go to India to see his grandmother that's about to pass away and sign over her will.
My grandma is dying, and I just want to be able to do it correctly. And I don't know how I'm supposed to do it correctly, because like, I have the resources to be able to do it correctly, but like, I don't know how.
I got a question. Now, his concerns and his behavior and whatnot, so what's going on with him, man? Does he state he want to harm himself, harm anybody else?
I know, he's talking, he talks a lot.
I understand that, but has he stated, has he stated that he want to harm himself or harm others?
Sir.
All
Absolutely
right,
not.
I just need a yes or no on that, okay? All right, I'm
Yes,
going to
sir,
talk to
I got
him, and we're going to figure out what's going to be his status, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right? All right, where's your boarding pass, sir? Sir, do you have a boarding pass?
It's probably on the phone, you just go down, sir. I don't know how.
Where's your boarding pass? Where are you trying to get to? Okay.
It's probably in the phone.
Unlock your phone for me. Supposed to be boarding at 3:40. You missed your flight. It is 8 something. Yep, you're supposed to be going out today at 3:40. All right, so you live here?
I live in Atlanta.
No, where do you live here in Atlanta?
I live in Marietta, Georgia.
Marietta, Georgia?
Yes, sir.
All right, here's the situation. You know, where your condition is right now, you know damn well you ain't getting on no plane, all right? And on top of that, you already missed your flight, okay? All right? Now, I got a question. What have you been taking and what have you been drinking?
I just been drinking whatever's offered.
Tell me what you've been drinking and tell me what you've been taking. Yep, just tell me that.
A shot of Jaeger.
Shot of Jaeger. Why are you drinking alcohol? You haven't taken any pills, anything like that?
Just to get on a plane. I haven't been taking any plays, any whatsoever.
Sir, we were getting multiple calls of you harassing people out here, making people feel uncomfortable.
I haven't been taking any planes. And I've been taking shots of Jaeger. And that's all I've been taking.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Battery charger. Hey, here. This is your cell phone. Here, hold your cell phone. All right. Let me see your phone real quick and talk to you, man. Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, officer.
Do you live in Marietta or do you live in Atlanta?
I'm in Gwinnett, officer.
I need you to come down here and pick him up.
Okay, and then he can get out of there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on the way.
All right, bye.
All right, thank you, officer.
All right, bye. Here, put that in your pocket.
Any chance he worsens his situation to take me about an hour to get there?
I'm sorry?
Is he going to be fine or like taken care of until I get there?
Yeah, he's gonna be okay. We're gonna keep an eye on him, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, no worries. All right, put your phone back in your pocket for me real quick. Can you walk? Yes or no?
Of course, sir.
All right, we'll put your phone in your pocket. We're gonna go over to this elevator. We're gonna go down to the precinct so you can sober up, all right?
Where's the precinct?
The precinct is downstairs.
I'll figure it out.
Come on, let's go.
Alright, I'll talk to you later. Alright? Well,
Come on, let's go. We're going downstairs to the precinct so you can sober up, all right?
don't push me. It's
Hey,
my right.
Listen, I am not that officer, okay? I am not that guy, okay?
why you push me?
Listen, I just want you to cooperate with me, all right? Don't raise your voice at me. I want you to come with me so we can get you squared away. We want to get you some help, all right? There's one thing I definitely want to do. I want to get you some help, all right? Let's go over here for me to the elevator.
I love my
Let's go.
entire life.
Hey, do me a favor. Y'all doing something right now? I need
Yeah.
somebody to roll this
Yeah, okay.
wheelchair with me. We're going to the precinct. Going over here.
Yeah.
We'll go down the escalators. Down the escalators. Let's go down the escalators.
You want to go down those escalators?
You want to go down the stairs? You pick. You pick.
You want me to escalate going down those
Go down the
escalators
stairs, man.
for your sake?
Go down the stairs, man. Let's go. Come on.
I don't think you have.
Who the fuck you think I am, huh? You gonna fucking realize. Roll over. Roll over. .3709 radio. Go ahead and start for more location. Just had to do a takedown with this guy, and he's gonna be alert. Wake up! Wake up!
I'm up.
He's gonna be alert. Get up! Come on, let's go. I appreciate it, man.
I love you, bro.
You don't listen.
I didn't mean to do anything.
You don't listen.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah, I'm good. I appreciate
I'm gonna
it.
do this shit. I'm gonna do this shit.
3750 rate. He's okay.
My radio must be down or something like that.
Yeah, because you just,
Please don't do this.
we're gonna be by the Starbucks up there.
I didn't know my radio was stacked off.
Please don't do this. Please don't do this.
Do you need another unit? I mean, do you need?
I love
somebody
you,
come-
bro.
I think I should
love
be okay.
you. Please
He just,
don't do
like I
this.
said, he's just hysterical at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, calm down. It's gonna be okay, man.
Please don't do
This
this.
is his first beer.
Apparently, he was taking shots of some Jaeger.
Oh.
So,
Somebody's on the way. Do you need them to continue?
nah, they can. Well, we want to make sure you have 4 to check him out because I did throw him on the floor right
Okay.
here. So I want to make sure he's okay.
I'm sorry.
3750. You code for any other units.
I have email units responded to estimated and so forth.
Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, I have his luggage right here.
You what?
I have his luggage.
Oh, it's his?
You want EMS checks supposed to go?
That's a problem. I want to make sure he's okay. So, yeah, so hey, I did not know y'all was ready because my radio was kind of like, what's going on here?
I'm sorry. fucking man. Ain't nobody fucking gonna tell me what I am.
I think he's about to lose his pants. He's about to lose his pants. He's about to lose his pants.
I don't want you.
He falls down around his ankles and then we'll walk.
Please don't do this. I'm a fucking man.
Where you headed?
Going to the precinct.
Precinct.
Say,
Where you come from? Precinct. Damn, dude, I'm sorry.
you're going to the inner curve door N96 on unattended white suitcase and purple suitcase.
We're not gonna sit here and drag you. Left, right. Walk. Walk.
I'm a fighter until I die. And no motherfucker can tell me that I ain't no fighter until I die.
Calm down.
I have nothing left to get to get. I am the warrior. There's nothing left to left. I am the warrior that y'all have nothing left to left. I am the warrior. So I have nothing left to press. I am the warrior. So y'all have nothing left to left.
Yeah. Alright, there, get him. Take your cell phone with him. Yeah, that's the that's like a vent. Wow, it dumps it in here. I hate it. All right. I'm tired of giving people out. Like I said, dude, come with me so you can sit in the precinct, wait till your buddy come pick you up. Yeah. I'm not going anywhere. And he lashes at me, and I was like, no, we're not going. We're not taking this route. No. So, but yeah, but other than that, I'm sorry. The radio was low. Honestly, I thought everything was okay with
Well,
that.
I knew you had it handled, but
Yeah.
since you weren't answering, I'm like, maybe I better go.
Yeah, just made sure. I appreciate that. Thanks.
I know you got it handled. Do you need anything from me at all?
No, I'll tell you, I'm good. I'm
Okay.
good. I appreciate it.
Hey, no
Thanks
problem.
again.
No
All right, no
problem.
worries.
Sorry, I gotta send you guys. I mean, it feels weird that somebody comes up to me. I gotta send somebody up there.
No, you're good. I appreciate it. Thanks. All right, let's see. Let me go ahead and work on this report. I'm just gonna charge him with a disorderly conduct under influence charge, and that's it. Hopefully his ass sober the fuck up.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.